The Citroen E Mehari 4-seat electric car has been upgraded with a new interior, hardtop and other improvements. While the original E Mehari, unveiled in late 2015, was only sold as a soft top, the updated version is now available with a glossy black hardtop. The hardtop variant also includes gray roll bars, sliding side windows, rear quarter lights and a lift-up glass rear window. New equipment across the range includes airbags, tilting front seats, central locking, automatic high beam operation, and tire pressuring monitoring. Although the car's body looks largely unchanged, Citroen says the E Mehari features a new welded structure and better anti-corrosion treatment. Perhaps, just as importantly, the 2018 E Mehari has been given a new dashboard, which looks more like the items being used in larger and more mainstream Citroen models. As well as new body color trim components, the interior also features more storage locations, a 3-spoke steering wheel, improved seats, and a black design that's less susceptible to dirt. The car's drivetrain has been upgraded too, with a new electric motor that is around 20% more torque. The new mill is able to deliver 166 Nm of torque at engine speeds up to 3,700 revolutions per minute, and 140 Nm beyond that point. Citroen claims the E Mehari's lithium metal polymer battery can be fully recharged in 16.5 hours via a 10A household socket, or 10.5 hours from a 16A source. Driving range is said to be 195 kilometers, and the top speed is rated at 110 kilometers per hour. The E Mehari is assembled at Citroen factory. In France, pricing starts at €19,500, $29,940 for the soft top, and €20,700, $31,800 for the hard top. Both of these prices include the country's €6,000, $9,200 ecological bonus.